Imagine stepping into your garden, no matter the season. Whether it's the height of summer or the depths of winter, your garden can be a sanctuary of beauty and tranquility. Picture vibrant colors greeting you. The reds, yellows, and purples of flowers in full bloom, creating a tapestry of hues that delight the senses. Butterflies dance among the flowers, their delicate wings adding a touch of magic to the scene as they flit from blossom to blossom. The air hums with the sound of bees. These industrious pollinators are hard at work, ensuring that your garden remains vibrant and healthy. This isn't just a dream. It's a reality that you can create with a little planning. You can enjoy a garden that blooms year-round. It starts with understanding your space and the plants that will thrive in it. Many believe this requires a green thumb or endless hours of work, but the truth is, it's more about working smart than working hard. Anyone can achieve this. With the right approach, even a novice gardener can create a stunning garden. Knowledge is power, and a little research can go a long way. This journey begins with the soil beneath our feet. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Just like we need good food, plants need nutrient-rich soil to thrive. The better the soil, the better your plants will grow. Adding compost or well-rotted manure feeds the soil and fuels plant growth. These organic materials enrich the soil, providing essential nutrients. This sets the stage for a vibrant garden, a garden that not only looks beautiful, but is also healthy and sustainable. Now let's explore the secrets to continuous blooms. By selecting a variety of plants that bloom at different times, you can ensure that your garden is always in flower. Are you ready to see your garden come alive? With these tips and a bit of dedication, your dream garden is within reach. The key to year-round blooms lies in selecting a diverse range of plants. This means incorporating plants with different blooming seasons. Think of it as an orchestra, with each instrument playing its part at the right time. We'll explore 3 main categories: perennials, annuals, and bulbs. Each brings its own charm and flowering period to the garden. By carefully selecting and combining these, you create a continuous display of color. Your garden will transform with each season, offering a delightful surprise around every corner. Let's delve into each category and discover the unique beauty they bring to our gardens. Perennials are the heart of a year-round garden. These plants return year after year, growing stronger and more beautiful. Imagine planting once and enjoying the blooms for years to come. Some perennials flower in spring, like cheerful daffodils and delicate tulips. Others bloom in summer, like the majestic lilies and vibrant coneflowers. Don't forget autumn, when asters and sedum steal the show with their late-season colors. The secret is to choose a mix of perennials that flower at different times. This ensures a constant display of color throughout the growing season. Remember to consider your garden's specific conditions. Sunlight, soil type, and moisture levels all play a role in a plant's success. While perennials provide structure, annuals add those vibrant bursts of color. These plants complete their life cycle in a single season, but their impact is undeniable. Think of cheerful petunias cascading from window boxes or vibrant zinnias attracting butterflies. Annuals offer an incredible range of colors, shapes, and sizes. They're perfect for filling gaps in your garden or adding a splash of seasonal color. You can experiment with different varieties each year, keeping your garden fresh and exciting. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Combine annuals with your existing perennials to create stunning combinations. Your garden will be a canvas for your creativity. The enchanting world of bulbs, those hidden treasures that lie beneath the soil, waiting to transform our gardens into vibrant displays of color and life. Bulbs add a touch of magic to the garden. They are nature's way of surprising us, with their ability to remain hidden and then suddenly burst into bloom, creating a spectacle that captivates the senses. Planted in autumn, they lie dormant through the winter, waiting for the warmth of spring. This period of dormancy is crucial, as it allows the bulbs to gather strength and prepare for their grand entrance. Suddenly, they burst forth with vibrant colors, announcing the arrival of a new season. It's a moment of pure joy, as the garden comes alive with hues that range from soft pastels to bold, striking shades. From the cheerful yellow of daffodils, which are often the first to bloom and signal the end of winter, to the delicate beauty of tulips, with their elegant shapes and a rainbow of colors, each bulb has its own unique charm. Bulbs offer a spectacular display. They create layers of interest in the garden, with different heights, textures, and colors that change throughout the season. And let's not forget the alliums, with their globe-shaped flower heads, adding height and drama to the garden. These towering beauties are like exclamation points in the landscape, drawing the eye and adding a touch of whimsy. For a continuous show, plant bulbs that bloom at different times. This way, you can enjoy a succession of flowers from early spring to late summer, ensuring that there's always something new to admire. Start with early bloomers like snowdrops and crocuses. These hardy little flowers are often the first to appear, even pushing through the snow to bring the first signs of life to the garden. Follow with daffodils and tulips, and finish with late-blooming alliums. Their striking forms and late-season blooms provide a fitting finale to the bulb season. Bulbs are relatively low maintenance, making them perfect for beginner gardeners. Once planted, they require minimal care, yet they reward you with a stunning display year after year. With just a little effort, you can create a garden that is not only beautiful, but also full of surprises, as each season brings new blooms and new delights. Now that we've explored the different plant types, let's talk about organization. A well-organized garden is not just about aesthetics, it's about efficiency and productivity. When you have a clear plan, you can ensure that every plant gets the care it needs at the right time. A well-planned garden is crucial for year-round success. It allows you to anticipate the needs of your plants and prepare for seasonal changes. This foresight can make the difference between a thriving garden and one that struggles. This is where a garden calendar comes in handy. A garden calendar is more than just a schedule. It's a comprehensive guide that helps you keep track of important dates and tasks. Think of it as your gardening assistant, helping you stay on track throughout the year. With a garden calendar, you can plan ahead for planting, watering, fertilizing, and harvesting. Note down when to plant different species. This ensures that each plant is sown at the optimal time for its growth cycle, giving it the best chance to flourish. Mark when to fertilize, prune, and divide your plants. These tasks are essential for maintaining plant health and encouraging new growth. By scheduling them, you can avoid the common pitfall of neglecting these crucial activities. You can find pre-made calendars online or create your own. There are many resources available that cater to different gardening styles and climates. Customize it to your specific region and plants. Every garden is unique, and your calendar should reflect the particular needs of your environment and the plants you are growing. Record your successes and challenges. Keeping a detailed journal allows you to learn from your experiences and make better decisions in the future. This valuable information will help you improve your gardening skills year after year. By reflecting on what worked and what didn't, you can continuously refine your approach. A garden calendar is an invaluable tool for any gardener, from beginner to expert. It provides structure and clarity, making the complex task of gardening more manageable. It brings order to the chaos and ensures that no task is forgotten. With a well-maintained calendar, you can enjoy a beautiful, productive garden all year round. Just like people, plants have preferences. Some thrive alongside certain neighbors, while others prefer their own space. This is where companion planting comes in. It involves strategically planting different species together for mutual benefit. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can deter pests and improve tomato flavor. Marigolds, known for their insect-repelling properties, are excellent companions for many vegetables and flowers. Companion planting isn't just practical, it's also visually appealing. Imagine tall sunflowers providing shade for delicate lettuce or colorful nasturtiums attracting pollinators to your vegetable patch. Research which plants complement each other before you start planting. You'll create a more diverse and productive garden while minimizing pest and disease problems. Creating a thriving garden goes beyond just planting. It requires consistent care and attention. Think of it as nurturing your floral masterpieces. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry periods. Water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root growth. Mulching around your plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilizing provides essential nutrients for healthy growth and abundant blooms. Use organic fertilizers whenever possible to nourish your plants and the soil. Deadheading, the practice of removing spent flowers, encourages more blooms. It prevents plants from putting energy into seed production and redirects it towards producing more flowers. These simple care practices ensure your garden thrives throughout the year. Remember to observe your plants regularly and address any issues promptly.